No, I don't.
So gooey.
Ooey.
Guys, this is my first time making slime.
Oh,
Whoa! Oh!
so sticky.
Toast. Hi guys! Today we're making slime. We got glue, activator, got glitter, pink glitter.
The rainbow glitter?
It's rainbow beads. This is neon beads.
This
Rainbow beads.
rainbow beads.
Oh, pastel beads. And we got 2 spoons. You could use a bowl or a container. We're gonna use containers. Okay, this is Kinkin's. This is Kinkin's spoon. This is mine. Okay, the instructions say first you have to pour glue.
Oh.
I cannot open it. Okay, wait.
Okay, open it.
Oh, there we go.
Can you put it for me?
Wait. Oh, there we go.
You have to do it, put it on the container, right, me?
Okay, that's enough.
Oh my god, there is so much. Oh my god. Oh, it's sticking up. It's going to make you.
Smells like medicine.
Ew. Smells like. Ew, it's disgusting.
Then the activator.
Oh yeah.
Oh no.
And then we
Okay, there we go.
we stir it. When it's done.
The activator, you have to put a little bit.
Yeah.
Then you stir it.
I don't want to stir it yet.
No, you have to stir it. The instructions say you have to stir it. Oh!
Whoa.
It's turning into slime.
It's turning to slime, guys.
Okay, let's close it.
Whoa. Wow. So pretty.
Look. Oopsies.
Ta-da.
I'm gonna close it very well.
This looks like slime.
Whoa, it's turning purple.
Yes.
Oh wow, it smells like medicine. Ew.
Ew. It smells like medicine. It smells like disgusting, right?
Oh wow,
Wow.
it's turning purple.
Do you need to add some more activator?
No, it's so gooey. Not yet.
Oh my god.
So gooey.
Put it back.
A little bit more activator. So gooey.
Yeah, can you put it for me? Put it more. Okay, there you go.
Look how much activator we used. Now time to mix it. Wow, it's turning into slime. Whoa, it's still wet.
Wow,
Look.
it's gonna turn into slime. Ta-da!
Sticking in the container. Whoa, sticky. I have to mix it. I have after you mix it, you cannot put too much activator, okay guys? That was why we put a little bit. Then
You want to put
oh, now we can mix it with our hands.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You want that? No, I don't.
So gooey.
Ooey.
Guys, this is my first time making slime.
Oh,
Whoa! Oh!
so sticky.
So sticky.
And then we need to add the decorations.
Oh!
We need to add the decorations. We need to add the decorations. Yeah, I need to wash my hands.
You will. It smells like medicine.
Yeah. Ta-da.
Whoa!
Can I play? Oh, done. It's done, Kasha. Can you put it for me?
Ask Kasha.
I need to wash my hands. I want to put it by myself.
Okay. Go wash.
Oh wow! It's so sticky.
I need to wash my hands, Kasha.
Yep, it's definitely done. We're gonna go wash our hands. Time to add the beets.
Yeah, time to add the beets.
Just a little bit. Don't use the spoon.
Uh-oh.
These are pastel colored beets. Oh no! Only a little bit. Okay. You put a little bit.
Oh my god. This is my slimes. Oh my god. I want this to glitter.
Just add in a little bit.
Okay, we're gonna mix with the glitter. And we have to mix with the spoon. Come here, let me add it to yours. Put it inside. Whoa, yours looks so good, Kinky.
Yeah. The glitter. Stop powder. You look in my hand.
It can tear.
Yeah.
It's supposed to tear.
Oh, you're supposed to do that?
Yeah. Other slimes cannot tear. This one you can tear.
Yeah, these slimes can do bubble too. This one is so pretty one. Ta-da! I love my slime. I want to take it off my sneakers here. Need to be,
Look, it's not sticking to the table.
yeah. Yeah. It's melting. Ta-da!
Oh, it popped.
What is it? What is pop?
Your slime.
Do you want to make some more?
Yes.
Can we make some more? My turn. My turn.
Oh no.
Okay, done. Done.
Then I'm gonna close the glue or it will spill.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now we're gonna
Blah, gross.
mix the glue a little bit. Then we Yes.
I want to see yours. Wow, yours is so colorful.
Wow. Oh, so sticky. We need this to be more activator. We just put activator 2 times because we only use a little bit of slime. Blue. We only use a little bit of blue. Be careful not to break your spoon, Kinkin.
Wait, some cold on my spoon. Guys, it's some cold on my spoon.
It's stuck. Oh,
Hey, again! It's rot. It's stick on my hand. Stop sticking.
guys, wait here. I'm gonna take something. Glue.
Wow.
Look at my slime.
I'm gonna do white slime.
We're gonna keep playing. Thanks for watching.